A very good morning and hello students. I hope you all are doing very well. This is Sangeeta Mahabari, social study teacher, and today we are going to start a new lesson or chapter, that is chapter 4 are industries. Students, in this chapter we are going to learn about the different types of industries that are present in India. The main content of this chapter, we will study about industries, different kinds of industries, that is cottage industries, small scale industries, large scale industries. We will also study about the essential factors for the industries, that what are the factors which is required for stabling an industry, or industries and environment, what are the harmful or useful effects of industries on the environment. So let's get started. First topic is industry. Industries play an important role in developing our society and the life of common man easier. Many products from our daily needs are produced in industries. The material we need for making finishing goods are called raw materials. Raw material is very important factor for the growth of any industries. Wood, ores, cotton, sugarcane, etc. are the raw materials. So students, for our life, industry is very important because the things which we are getting for our daily basis or the needs which we are getting from the industries, and industries made this products by using the raw materials, that means कच्चा सामान. कच्चे सामान को यूज करके ही इंडस्ट्रीज जो फाइनल प्रोडक्ट होती है वो चीज फॉर्म करती है. सो इंडस्ट्रीज हमारे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है कि वो डेली हमारी नीड्स को फुलफिल करने के लिए हेल्प करती है. एज वेल एज रॉ मटेरियल्स क्या क्या हो सकते हैं. रॉ मटेरियल्स कैन बी वुड, ओर, कॉटन, शुगर कैन एक्सेट्रा. एज यू कैन सी, दिस इज कॉटन, दिस इज wood, this is sugar cane, and this is ore. This all goes to industries, and then industries combine this and form the finalized product, and then we will get that. This is a process, as well as here the work is going on, and there is a final product is forming. So by this process the industries make the final product by using the raw material. Now we will move to different kinds of industries, that industries कितने टाइप की हो सकती है. So it can be cotton industries, it can be small scale industries or large scale industries. Cotton industries, as you can see in the image, small scale industries, the industries which work on the small scale area or small scale investment. Large scale industries are the industries which are situated over a large area as well as work on the large investment and gives work to a large persons. In small scale industries only a small area of person get the employment, but large scale industries give a large employment to the peoples. Students, now we will move to the first type of industries, that is cottage industries. Cottage industries involves making goods at home. They produce goods with the help of simple tools, use locally available raw materials. Handicrafts, papad, beedi, pottery, handmade candles, incense sticks, pickles, jams, leaf plates, embroidery clothes and baskets are made in various cottage industries. Cottage industries require few peoples. Some cottage industries also make shoes, carpet, shawl, toys, etc. As you can see in this image, these are the work which the cottage industries peoples do. And cottage industries require simple tools which are available. आसपास जो भी टूल्स होते हैं जो उनके अवेलेबल होते हैं, दे यूज दैट टूल्स एंड क्या करते हैं वो प्रोडक्ट्स, गुड प्रोडक्ट्स फॉर्म करते हैं. एंड रॉ मटेरियल्स कैसा यूज करते हैं, ऐसे रॉ मटेरियल्स यूज करते हैं विच आर इजली अवेलेबल इन द एरिया. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ कॉटेज इंडस्ट्रीज क्या हो सकता है. इट कैन बी हैंडीक्राफ्ट, पापड़, बीड़ी, पॉटरी, पिकल्स, जैम्स, candles making, anything, embroidery clothes. These are the examples of cottage industries. Cottage industries में few peoples का requirement होता है. It can be open in your home also. Cottage industries also makes shoes, carpet, shawls, toys, etc. So now we will move to small scale industries. Small scale industries use small machines and employ more peoples than cottage industries. Furnitures, plastic goods, utensils, and electrical goods are some goods made in small-scale industries. These industries are mostly located near big cities. India has a very large portion. Cottage and small-scale industries are useful for providing employment to a small number of peoples. The industries can be set in rural areas to prevent the migration of the peoples to cities in search of work. It reduces unemployment and raises the income of the peoples involved in it. So students, for opening a small-scale industries, we require a small investment, or the small investment of money can be lead us to starting a small scale industries, and small scale industries gives employment to more people as compared to cottage industries से ज़्यादा peoples को small scale industries work provide करती है. स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज क्या क्या हो सकती है? इट कैन बी फर्नीचर की हो सकती है, प्लास्टिक गुड्स, यूटेंसिल्स, इलेक्ट्रिकल गुड्स की हो सकती है. स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज जो लोकेटेड होती है नियर टू द बिग सिटीज होती है, एज वेल एज ये क्या होती है, इट कैन बी ऑल्सो सेटअप इन रूरल एरियाज में इनको सेट कर सकते हैं, ताकि जो रूरल एरियाज का जो माइग्रेशन होता है पीपल का टू सिटीज, दैट कैन बी स्टॉप, एंड वहीं उसी एरिया के पीपल्स को अच्छी इनकम प्रोवाइड कर सके. तो इसलिए हम लोग स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज वी कैन ओपन इन द रूरल एरियाज ऑल्सो. Now we will move to large-scale industries. Large-scale industries demand huge capital investment and employ thousands of the people. They use big machines and produce goods in a large quantity. Textile, iron, steel, cement, automobiles, aeroplane, ships, and fertilizers are manufactured in large-scale industries. Setting up and running a large-scale industry requires a lot of investment. Large-scale industries need a continuous and a large quality of raw materials. They also require continuous supply of electricity to run the machines and a good transport system to send the products to different places. Therefore, better goods can be produced more cheaply. It is because of this reason large-scale industries are being encouraged. So students, what are large-scale industries? Large-scale industries require a large land area for setting up, as well as a large investment also. हमें ज़्यादा मनी का रिक्वायरमेंट होता है टू सेट अप अ लार्ज स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज, एज वेल एज ये इंडस्ट्रीज जो होती है ये बड़ी बड़ी मशीन्स पे वर्क करती है और इसमें लार्ज क्वालिटी ऑफ गुड्स का प्रोड्यूस होता है और इसमें रॉ मटेरियल्स का रिक्वायरमेंट भी ज़्यादा होता है. लार्ज स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज कैन बी ऑफ टेक्सटाइल की हो सकती है, इट कैन बी आयरन, स्टील, सीमेंट, ऑटोमोबाइल्स, एरोप्लेन, शिप्स और फर्टिलाइजर्स. Large-scale industries provide a large number of employment to the peoples को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा employment provide करती है. Now students, for large-scale industries a good transport system is also required, because अगर products form हो रहे हैं तो उस products को अलग अलग जगह पर transport करने के लिए good transport system होना चाहिए, as well as बहुत different types of peoples होने चाहिए जो जो प्रोडक्ट्स है उसको डिफरेंट जगह पर पहुंचा सके. सो लार्ज स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज आर मेनली एनकरेज इन आवर कंट्री बिकॉज इट इज वेरी गुड एंड गिव्स अस मोर प्रोडक्ट इन चीप मनी, और इट कैन गिव द प्रोडक्ट वेरी चीपली. वो इतना महंगा नहीं होता है. मेटल इंडस्ट्रीज इज ऑल्सो a form of large scale industries. As you can see, this is the steel industries, this is the copper industries, this is the zinc industries and aluminium. All the industries are the large scale industries form. Now first we will come to iron and steel plant. So where is the iron and steel plants are located in our country? So it is located on the Bokaro, Jamshedpur, Durgapur, Rourkela, Bhilai and Visakhapatnam, as you can see here. These are the parts where the iron and the steel industries are present in India. Now we will move to that is textile mills. The different types of textile mills which are present in India are present in the state that is Mumbai, in the cities Surat, Ahmedabad, Madurai, Kanpur and Kolkata. So these are the cities where the textile mill is located, as you can see in this map. These are the dot places where the textile industries are placed in our country. Now we will move to heavy electrical goods industries, the industries which produce heavy electrical goods. It can be in Bhopal, Ranchi and etc. As you can see, these are the places where the heavy electrical goods are produced in our India. Now we will move to the automobile industries where the automobiles are produced. Automobiles can be cars, tractors or many other vehicles which are produced in India are produced mainly in Pune, Nasik, Jamshedpur, Jabalpur, Kolkata, Gurgaon, Chennai and etc. As you can see in this map. These are the places: Pune, Hyderabad, Jamshedpur and all other areas where the different types of automobile factories are situated in our India. Now we will move to shipbuildings where the ships are built in our country. Ships का formation किस किस जगह पर हमारी country में होता है? It can be in Kochi, Mumbai, Visakhapatnam and Marmegaon. So students, as you can see, these red dots indicates the formation of the places where the ships are built or the places where the ships are built. These are the shipyards where the ships building takes place. We will study about the aircraft manufacturing, that where are the aeroplanes or the aircrafts are formed. It is formed in Bangalore, Nasik, Hyderabad, Lucknow and Koraput. As you can see here, these are the places where Koraput, Lucknow and Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad, these are the places where the aircraft manufacturing takes place in our India. Now students, we will see the main oil refineries where the oils are taken out in our India, or the main oil refineries where they are situated in our India. It can be in Assam, Bihar, Mathura, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh and etc. As you can see this in image, that this is the places where the oil refineries are present in our India. It can be in Uttar Pradesh, it is Mathura and many other places, that is Mathura, Bihar, Assam, Gujarat. So we can say that at these places the oil refineries are present in our India. Now students, we will move to the essential factors for the industries. So for opening an industries, we required a lot of machines. When we open industries on a large scale, we require machines as well as power of peoples. Labor's work is also required. Financial support चाहिए होता है, as well as we required a good investment as well as a good transportation system. These all factors are very important for opening an industries or opening a small or large scale industries. Now students, we will see industries and environment. All thought industries contribute significantly to India's economic growth and development. The increase in pollution of land, water, air, noise and resulting degradation of environment that they have caused cannot be overlooked. Industries are responsible for 4 types of pollution, that is noise pollution, air pollution, water pollution, land pollution. Polluting industries also includes the thermal power plants. So development of industries should continue with reduced pollution. So students, as industries is very good for economic growth as well as development of a country. Industries हमारी economic growth as well as development के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा important है, because ये हमारी basic needs as well as हमको जो products मिल रहे हैं उनको cheaply form में हमको available कराती है. But industries also causes the pollution, because it can cause land pollution, water pollution, noise pollution and many types of pollution it causes. These are the main types of pollution. So pollution makes a country weak. So it is important to reduce the pollution, and development of industries is also important. So we have to develop the industries as well as reduce the pollution. So students, now this chapter is finished, and if there is any query or doubt related to this chapter, you can ask me anytime.